Guidelines for pool drainage. We take this into consideration. It's actually one of our top priorities when we're designing a project is how is the project going to drain, and is there drainage and surface water that's coming from, maybe a neighbor's house. Maybe you're the lowest lot in the row of houses, and you've got a lot of drainage that's coming through your yard. We definitely have to take that in consideration. We've got dry creek beds, we've got French drains, we've got hydrostatic pressure relief valves that we put under your pool. And so we've got some tools in the toolbox to help you, handle the drainage, but you definitely want to make sure it's handled around a pool. It can cause serious issues. So draining your pool, in most cases, you don't want to drain the pool at all. If we've installed a fiberglass pool for you, you'll have to have either a representative from the manufacturer or us if you drain the pool. Fiberglass is pretty important to keep it full of water. Gunite is not so much, but you still have to manage the reason you have to manage the water that's underneath the pool. And that's why we put a hydrostatic pressure relief valve in. But when you see a pool pop, and I've seen them, and it means float, I've seen every pool, liner, gunite, concrete, fiberglass, I've seen them all have issues. And when pressure or the water below the pool becomes greater than the water holding the pool down, it lifts. And so that's the main reason for fiberglass, why you have to have a representative there if you do drain the water. Not so much on the gunite side, but you do need to maintain and make sure there's no water underneath it before you drain the water in the pool.